Myntri Rangbah ke jela konrad ke sangma ulapan pau bak Sorkar jela kedang eksamen ya kamat jingdawa jongkinoi ke school ad hoc kibadon hapo ke Kshatri Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTOM ulapan pau ru yang jisu khia ke bajur bha ya ke jimomtre īatrei lang ke FASTOM ke bala boycott ban penbait paper exam but sim class di kena
that we are concerned about the non-cooperation aspect and the different demands of the teachers. And this is where the challenge for us lies, because this has large and huge financial impact. And therefore, it's not simple and easy for us to simply go ahead with it. Whereas at one point in time, we have constraints in terms of the revenue, and that's the reason why we are exploring the options of gaming and seeing whether we can raise revenue, because how else to meet the demands of the teachers and how else to meet the demands of other for development activities. So we need to balance out both. So we are examining these aspects. We'll be talking to the teachers also, and the Honorable Education Minister has already started his discussions. So let us see. I don't think it will be appropriate for me to give any details right now, but all I can say is that we are examining the matter very, very seriously, and we are in discussion with the teachers. And I just had a meeting this afternoon with the Education Department regarding the expansion of our school renovation projects. So you'll be happy to know that another 200 schools will be given new buildings, and about 1800 LP schools will be renovated at a cost of 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. We have just cleared that proposal today, and close to about 170 crores will be sanctioned through different sources for improvement of infrastructure and renovation and creation of new buildings in over 2,000 schools. 200 of them will be new buildings, and 1,800 plus minus will be for renovation. So in that meeting we discussed about this ad hoc issue also.